Go. Go. Dirty Magic, Part 1.
Oh, you ready for this?
Yeah. Go ahead, Mama.
I go Matrix.
That's what I'm doing.
Watch your mouth, watch your mouth.
You ready for this?
You're in the Matrix.
I'm on the ass.
Casualty.
Shoots all kinds of ways.
Casualty. Hey, oh.
Yeah, fucking dog. Yeah. They is flying out of there. I think they was feeding their kids. Do this. Come here. Come on, boy. They was gone. Oops.
Look at
Whoops.
Can't even do it right.
Taima,
Under my umbrella.
you having fun? You don't wash yourself up, Ma? Huh?
Oh, a membrane, boy.
She washing her hair.
You watching her here?
Oh,
Over here baptizing herself in the water.
cute.
I wear her shirt. That's alright. She got hair like the African bush and stuff. I understand what. That's a shame. It's like I gotta find that person that can do my hair. Cause they're about to be like, God, it was shady stuff now. Shriven. You still taping me?
I was. Taima, say hi. Say hi. Taima, look, Mommy. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. You gonna say hello? Can I have that? Thank you. Thank you. Say thank you. Now say hi. You wave hello? Can you wave? Hi. Hi, Mama. Say hi. No, not click.
Excuse me.
Say hi. You gonna wave? Hi, wave hello. 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 She says hello. Taima says hello. She says hello.
Yeah.
Hi. Hi.
No.
No.
Boy, don't eat fish and watermelon.
Where you from?
Oh,
Oh.
man. You're from the colonial.